By the window stands a bowl, empty glass with silent soul. A child sees, a thought takes flight, to pour a gift in morning light. Drop by drop we fill the sky with tiny waves that lift us high. One small act, one quiet care, spreads a love that's everywhere. By the Mary dedicate, lyftet Mary's God to face, and takes and chases